How to make AI YouTube videos using Pictory. Hello everyone, I'm Jason. Pictory is a platform that is being used by numerous YouTubers to create engaging YouTube videos. I'll be showing you step by step how you can start using this platform to create your own YouTube videos and hopefully start making some money online. The first thing you want to do, once on Pictory, you can go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap right where you see free trial, and you can get started for free. All you'll need is your email address. You don't need a credit card or anything like that. But if in the future you want to go on to their paid plan, it's also very affordable, as you can get started for $19 per month, as you can see right here. And for $19 you'll be able to create up to 30 videos per month. Or if you would like to go up and create 60, all you'll have to do is pay $39, as you can see right here. So once you have signed up to Pictory, you will be redirected to this dashboard. And to create our video script, I will be using another AI tool, which is ChatGPT. So I simply went into ChatGPT and I typed in "write YouTube video script on the 7 wonders of the world." So this is what ChatGPT came up with. So all I did is simply copy this text right here. All I did was copy the text. So after I copied the text, I simply went back into Pictory. And from here, you are going to tap right where you see start typing or copy and paste your script. So I tapped on proceed. After tapping on proceed, all you have to do is tap on paste from clipboard. Once you have tapped on paste from clipboard, what I would recommend you do, you are going to see on the left hand right here, highlight, as this will help AI find better visuals. So for example, we are talking about the 7 wonders of the world. So I want to highlight each wonder. So for example, the first one is the Great Pyramid. So I'll simply highlight that right there. So to allow the AI to better understand what the video is about, so that they can create better visuals. So I will highlight each wonder, as you can see right here. So it all depends what your video is about to make it look even better and to give the AI a better understanding of what the video is about. You can highlight the most important sections, as you can see here. And also you can make any changes right here, any corrections that you want. So you can make the corrections right here to any text section. So I'm going to highlight each wonder of the world, as you can see here. Once you have highlighted the important sections, as you can see right here, the next thing you're going to need to do is tap on proceed in the top right hand corner. And you can also see scene settings right here, but we have already highlighted the keywords, so we're going to tap on proceed. After tapping on proceed, you'll be redirected to this page, on which you can choose the template that you would like to use for your video. So for example, if you would like your video to look something similar to this, you can simply tap on that particular template. Or if you would like it to look like this, you could tap on that template. Or if you would prefer it to look like this one, you can use this template. For this example, I'll be using this template right here. Then you can select the ratio video that you want. And if you are creating a YouTube video, it will be 16:9. So we're going to tap on continue. After you have tapped on continue, you're going to give it a few seconds as Pictory is composing the script. The video or the pictures that are used in your YouTube video when you go onto Pictory are completely copyright free, so you don't have to worry about that. And also the background music is copyright free also, so you're free to use it on whichever platform. Once it loads up, you'll be redirected to this page, and I want you to pay attention to a few things. For example, in the right hand column, you'll see the estimated video duration, and also you can see the scene duration right here. As you can see, at the moment it is set at 5 seconds. So if you would like to increase the scene duration, let's say I want to increase it to 8 seconds, all you have to do is type in 8. Then right where you see apply to all scenes, you're going to simply toggle that on. And after you have toggled that on, what you want to do now is go over to the left hand menu option, and from here you'll be able to see all of the scenes as you can see right here. And also by tapping on visuals right here, if you would like to change anything, you can. By tapping on visuals, all you'll have to do is simply type in right where you see search images. So let's say for example you wanted to change this image, you could. All you'll have to do is search for the particular image that you'd like to add, then you could use it there instead. Also by tapping on elements right here, which is the second option on the left hand corner, from here you could add stickers or so on if you want to your video. And also by tapping on audio, you'll be able to add background music. As you can see, this is the background music that has been applied, and as I said earlier, these songs are completely copyright free. And you can also tap on voiceover, and from here you'll be able to use one of their AI voiceover. All you have to do is tap on play beside the particular voiceovers.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video
as you can hear right there. So you can scroll down until you see one of your liking. And also if you would like the voiceover to be in a particular language, you can tap on languages, and from there you can search for the language or the accent that you want. And also after selecting the voiceover, you can also edit the speed of the voiceover if you want. So let's say for example I want it to be at 94, a bit slower. You can hear it sounds right here.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video...
Once you have found one that you like, you're going to simply tap on apply. So I've now applied a voiceover. And also if you would like to record your own voiceover, you can do that. Right below the video you will see the option add voiceover. You could tap right there, then you could tap on record voiceover, and you'll be able to record the voiceover meanwhile the video is playing. Or if you would like to upload a voiceover, you can also do that by tapping on upload voiceover. After doing that, you can go over to the left hand menu option again, and you could tap on text. So let's say I wanted to add a text right here, a heading. All you would have to do is tap on one of these text boxes, then you could type what you want. And you can also tap on the styles right here if you would like to change the styles. And also if you would like to add an intro and outro, for example showing the logo of your YouTube channel or so on, all you have to do is tap on brand. Then from here you'll be able to add an intro and outro. So you could tap on intro right there, then you could enable it. After you have enabled it, you will see this pop up, and from here you can add your own intro if you want. So you can upload an logo if you want right here, and also to add an outro to your YouTube video, all you have to do is tap on outro. Then from here you can enable it right there, and from there you'll be able to edit it to your liking. And that's it. After you're finished, all you're going to do now is tap on preview in the top right hand corner to see how it looks. So let's tap on preview real quick. Then after tapping on preview, you're going to give it a few seconds. And if it is to your liking, all you'll have to do is go over to the top right hand corner again, and you'll tap on download, and you'll be able to download your video. But the only pullback with Pictory if you are using the free plan is the watermarks. So that is why I would recommend that you go onto one of their paid plans, as that will avoid the watermarks being added to your YouTube videos. So just give it a few seconds to load up, then we'll see how it looks.
And welcome to our channel. In this
You
video,
can see how it
we are
looks
going to
right
explore
here.
the 7 wonders of the world, which
And
are the
that's
most
it.
iconic and astonishing.
As I said, all you have to do now is come over to the top right hand corner, and right where you see download, then you're going to tap on video, and you'll be able to download your video. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.